Our modern lifestyle is affected by a variety of factors that are sources of free radicals. These include stress, chemical residues of drugs in our body, food additives, X-rays and radiation, pollution, smoking, strenuous exercises, and many others. All of these factors create metabolic dysfunction that exposes us to serious health risks such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and stroke, digestive and hemorrhoid disorders, obesity and its complications, low immunity, overall weakness including sexual impotence, infertility, liver problems, various tumors and cancers, and the list goes on. What can be done about that? The preventive culture of traditional Chinese medicine has used plants for thousands of years to cleanse the body on a daily basis and constantly keep its metabolism at its highest level. Tien's group has been inspired by this and has compounded a special tea with 5 of these herbs, which have outstanding healing properties. It is called Tien's Lipid Metabolic Management Tea, and also well known as Tien's Antilipemic Tea. Antilipemic tea is composed of Gynostemma pentaphyllum, cassia seeds, Radix polygoni multiflori, Folium nilombinus, or lotus leaf, and green tea, herbs with multiple health benefits. The benefits of antilipemic tea are diverse and varied. Antilipemic tea helps to fight bad health and improves the general well-being of all organs. As a powerful detoxifier, it improves the liver's ability to eliminate toxins and free radicals. The Gynostemma contained in antilipemic tea has an adaptogen similar to that of ginseng. It helps to energize and revitalize the body, and promotes the body's natural defenses through immunomodulation. It protects DNA, proteins, and lipids against oxidative stress, and maintains adequate blood lipid levels. Antilipemic tea breaks and cleans cholesterol from blood vessels, reduces blood viscosity, regulates blood pressure, prevents thrombosis, protects the myocardium, increases blood flow, prevents the buildup of lipids and hardening of the arteries, prevents the formation of atherosclerotic plaques, strengthens the liver, spleen, and stomach. It promotes healthy digestion and efficient waste elimination, making bowel movements easier and preventing hemorrhoids. It dissipates internal heat and reduces fever. It strengthens the immune system and boosts internal energy levels. It helps fight viral and bacterial infections. It reduces the risks of tumors and cancers. It is very good for the lungs. It prevents myopia and cataracts. Tien's Lipid Metabolic Management Tea, your everyday companion. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily to enjoy life every day. Not recommended for children and pregnant women.